What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Crypto Live Show with your man Crypto Leprechaun here, heading up the highway. And it looks like I've already been beat by two people in here. How are you guys doing tonight?
Doing just
Doing well,
fine.
hanging in there.
Sweet,
I just
sweet.
got the notification.
You just want to know what?
I just now got the notification.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, I just now went live, so that's good.
I still haven't got it, I don't think.
At least you're getting it. I know it's getting out there.
Yeah.
I was wondering after Tuesday, I only had like 27 views. I'm usually up around 100, so I don't know what in the hell was going on that night. Just one of those
Yeah.
weird nights, I guess.
Yeah. I got in a BTC short right after I talked to you.
Yeah?
So my entry is like 20,006 something. It's doing beautiful.
Yeah, so mine's at 26, 20,605 something.
Mine's like 645 or 50, something like that.
Yeah, good.
And 640 actually, because I put in a damn it, a limit buy
Uh huh.
at 20,640. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but is it got a ways to go down? I haven't looked at the. I just got in from the river,
I
so
don't know. It's still. Yeah, I don't know. It's really testing the bottom of my. I drew like a channel, and it's kind of going sideways now. Has
so you
been
think
has been since about 6:45.
you don't think it's got you think it's
An
about to
hour, 2 hour, about 2.5 hours.
right?
Oh, I don't know about bottom or not. It's still a little early to tell. We're only an hour out of the new daily, so
Yeah,
might take a little time to see what direction she's going to go.
I didn't hear how the Apple's earnings came in. Facebook.
Apple's was kind of mixed, but not bad. Revenue was really good. Amazon got killed,
Yeah, I saw that.
destroyed. I can't remember what Intel was. What was Intel? I watched
What
it.
about Meta, which is Facebook?
I got destroyed.
Really?
It's down like $33.
Right?
Got crushed because I guess Zuckerberg's using all this money for this metaverse, and I guess it's
Right?
scaring the shit out of the stockholders. They're all bailing on it.
Oh wow.
That's of course that's what they're saying on CNBC, who are pretty much I think anti-crypto. But
Right?
you can just tell by the way they talk. But so if they're anti-crypto, they're probably anti-metaverse. So they put a spin on everything, anything negative pretty much that has to do with metaverse or crypto or whatever. But yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess he's spending like well over $1 billion on this metaverse, and
Yeah, and along with the AI stuff or AR AR maybe augmented reality.
yeah, well they were calling it AI, but
Yeah. Well, AI would be artificial intelligence or augmented intelligence, which is like like a robot or another like not consciousness, but intelligence. And then AR would be augmented reality, which would be like something that a human would take part in, like the VR stuff,
uh huh.
which now they're starting to call AR, which is, yeah, augmented instead of virtual.
Ah,
Because they just came out with their can't remember what they call it, but they bought Oculus, I think.
yeah, their next big thing is gonna. I guess they're gonna make it. I guess it's wired now. They're gonna make it wireless, which I'm surprised it's not already. If it's not, but
Yeah,
um,
no, I don't think. I think it is wired. Maybe.
and they're working on giving. I guess Meta, Facebook is working on giving people in the metaverse legs. I guess they don't have legs right now. I guess they just kind of float around.
I see.
I'm not well versed in the metaverse, but that's the impression I get. So,
Right, right.
anyways, they're he's dumping a lot of money into it.
Yeah,
So it's kind of like a could be a possible boom or bust deal type
Right,
thing.
right. Yeah.
Because he's using a lot of Facebook's
Resource.
money to
Yeah,
to fund this thing. So it should be interesting to see how it turns out.
absolutely.
And there's gonna be competitors. I mean, there's gonna be. I'm not sure how the whole metaverse thing's. I'm not sure if there's gonna be several metaverses or if it's gonna be one big metaverse and they're all gonna have their own niche. Or I don't know how it's gonna work, but there's gonna be some competition there somehow, some way.
Right, right.
Because I really doubt companies like Google's just gonna stand by and watch. Or
Oh, they're all gonna have their own metaverses. Metaverses, I'd say.
yeah. I mean, I think Apple's already working on one, and
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably further ahead than you realize.
yeah,
In coming, just they just haven't brought it to market yet.
yeah. I tell you what, I wish I had a lot of dry powder. When after hours, when Amazon dropped to $88 a share, I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know if
Yeah,
we'll ever see that again.
right, right.
I mean, yeah, it's taking a hit, and yeah, they got some issues internally or whatever, but I mean, do you really see Amazon going to be like a $30 or $40 stock? No.
No.
I mean, it's the world's largest, one of the world's
Re-
largest companies,
Retailers. Well, yeah, and companies.
especially by market cap and whatnot. And it's not going anywhere. It's not going away. We're talking. It was just 2,000 stock. $2,000 stock
Yeah,
before the split. So I
right.
mean, I don't see. I don't know the long term. Now, not tomorrow, but 5 or 10 years down the road, I would love to say I owned 100 shares of it. Let me tell you that.
Yeah. Even in the near term, I wonder if options are come back to reality as far as option price.
They're all still high on Google, Amazon, Tesla. They're all high because they
Amazon is,
know. Yeah, they all know. I mean, they know that it's not.
but I mean, Amazon's. Have you looked after the big drop today?
No, and I'm not sure what it ended up closing at. Cause they
Well,
both came back a little bit.
it was after hours trading.
Yeah,
Is what I down 18% in after hours trading.
yeah, that's actually a little bit of a comeback. I think it was down as much as 20 some percent.
Oh, really?
Like I said, it went down to $88.
Yeah.
I think the lowest I saw it.
Doge seems to be holding.
Yeah, it is.
At least last time I looked, it was over 8 cents.
Yeah, she's staying strong.
Actually, it's 748 right now. It came down a little bit.
Oh shit, yeah, it did.
Doge. And
Hmm. Dixie's down 12 cents.
yeah,
Oh, Ape was in here. He just left.
yeah. Oh, did he leave?
Well, maybe I need to. Nope, there he is. I had to. Here, I'm going to redo my screen. There we go. Got everybody in here now.
I don't know. Does Robinhood show after hour what something is after hours?
I know TradingView doesn't, which is really frustrating. I don't think it does unless I just can't find it. But Robinhood, I think, might. I don't know. I can't look right now. I got a football game on my phone.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, like January 20th, 2023, $100 calls on Amazon is still 1780.
Oh my
That,
god.
that's quite a ways out of the money.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not a giant. I mean,
I was looking at
doing
one of them. It wasn't too bad. It was pretty far out too. Like like January of 24, but I can't remember which one that was. I'd have to go back and look. Maybe I don't think it might have been Google.
Right?
One of them wasn't really too bad. It was like it's for a pretty high price. It was like $300.
Yeah.
January of 24 was
Oh, of 2024?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little over a year out. But what's up, Mikey K? Yo, chop chop chop. What did you miss? Well, we're just getting fired up for the night, and I was actually third one in here. Um, well, we're just kind of trying to figure out what Bitcoin's going to do. Right now, it's kind of on its way down, which is good because I'm actually in a short. Finally got my feet wet. I am not Jesus. I cannot walk on water. I got them a little wet.
What are you talking about? Feet wet.
I haven't gotten into. I haven't played anything for a while.
Oh. Gotcha.
Other than that, Dogecoin seems like it's kind of on its way back. Coming down just a little. Doge.
Oh, yeah.
Coming back just a little bit. Hopefully it's just a pullback. We'll know here in a few minutes. Mikey K says, yo, KRS1. Mikey K says, yo, shorty.
Yo, what up, Mikey K? Elon has fired Vijaya Gadde, head of legal policy, trust, and safety, made the decision to permanently suspend Donald Trump from Twitter. The Twitter thing went through. You see that? He owns Twitter now.
Yeah, he walked in this morning with the kitchen sink.
Last night, actually, yeah.
Yeah, or whatever.
Yeah.
It said, let this sink in. Basically, him owning Twitter. He also said that he didn't know where in the hell that came from about the 70. Now he's talking now. He said he didn't know, has no idea where the 75% layoff came from.
Oh, Elon said that?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Basically, it's like, try to find the quote. Find the quote.
Yeah. So when will it come off the ticker, the stock exchange?
They froze trading today.
Did they?
I don't know when, but I don't know when it goes back on.
Okay, the 15-minute on the Dixie. Got that Dixie 15-minute. Two big fat green or red candles.
It's going down.
So, yeah, is Bitcoin still going down?
It still has a red candle, so.
Twitter will not be listed on the stock exchange because he's taking it private.
Right, I just didn't know what that process failed.
That means anybody who owns any shares that did not sell will be bought out at $54 and some change.
$54.20, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It's
interesting.
The crazy thing is, it almost closed at that. 53.70.
I know, right?
Yeah. It's wild.
Should have
So
bought some.
say goodbye to Twitter.
Should have bought some at 36. It would have been guaranteed money.
Yeah, if you knew it was going to go up.
No, I mean he had to go. I mean he had to pay $54.20 for it.
Oh well, yeah.
Elon. So I mean that's guaranteed money as far as that goes.
Yeah. Mikey K says, "Yo, ape."
Mikey K.
How's the new computer, Shorty?
I haven't got it set up yet.
Oh my God! Don't tell Tommy that.
I told him that last night. I talked to him on Messenger.
Oh, okay.
Go set it up here now.
Yeah, it's not that
Go
easy.
set
I
it up
gotta
right now.
put it here. I've got a place. I just need to get it cleaned off.
We'll start cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I'm not sure I can get it. It's on the. lower than the table I've got to have it on. So I don't know. I might be able to get it up there by myself.
Sometimes those towers aren't too light.
Yeah. Well, it's not too bad. It's smaller than yours, so it's not gonna be too awkward. I don't think. But
On stuff like that, I do it in steps. Like I'll put it on something a little bit higher, and then I'll lift it
yeah,
from that to something a little bit higher.
yeah.
If you can get it like in the seat of a chair, and
Right.
then
Yeah. I can get it. I think I can get it up in
then
my.
you might be able to get it from that to the table or something.
Yeah.
Tower, tower,
You have a
tower.
rolly computer chair? Roll it in a rolly computer chair and then roll that bitch to wherever you need it.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah. If I had a rolling computer chair, of course.
Hey, you're creative. Put wheels on something.
Yeah. Yeah. That took me all night. Bitcoin
Got a
is
skateboard lying around?
what?
Got a skateboard lying around?
I got one you
So,
can
yeah,
borrow.
something like that. Yeah. Let me run right over there and get that.
Golf carted out?
I'll just have my I'll have my boy run over there and help you lift it up there. He thinks
Who's your boy?
he thinks he's Incredible Hulk.
Oh, you mean
My son.
boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he now?
Oh, I don't know. Sometimes.
Yeah. Now, what's weird is the Dixie's going down and so is Bitcoin. Like, I think it's starting to decouple. Like,
hmm
even though I mean, we know it was inverse
The
anyway.
only time I've really noticed in the last few days that it looks like it hasn't yet is when it's been like a lot. Like when Bitcoin or when the Dixie went down to 109, then Bitcoin did go up.
Yeah,
But
but how much
it's
that's
taken a
starting
pretty severe moves by the
how much
Dixie.
that's starting to be coincidence, though.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Because both deals have to either go up or down, obviously, at some point.
Yeah, so we'll see
So,
when Dixie goes to if it hits 113 again by chance. We'll see what BTC does,
right.
or vice versa. Well, really, yeah. We need the Dixie to. I would already consider it down a little bit. So
Yeah.
technically,
I
I
mean,
mean, Bitcoin should be going up.
I know, but it's not.
I know.
I mean, we got two pretty good sized red candles there for the Dix in the last 15-minute candles.
I didn't look before I got on here, and if I click on it, it'll take Discord off. But I don't know what the 4 hour and the daily look like now. They
On the
were
Dix,
they were
on which one?
bullish on Bitcoin.
Oh,
They were pretty bullish, but
the 2 hour is MACD's pointing straight down, bad. It's not down below the oscillator yet, but it's pointing down. And RSI is 24, which is down around the oversold.
oh, that's low. Yeah.
Yeah, and it looks like that's a 2 hour,
Yeah.
and then the 4 hour.
There's Amber.
Yep.
4 hour RSI is 39. Hi, Amber.
Hey.
But the MACD's pointing straight down.
Those are all good. What about the that was 4 hour?
That's a 4 hour, yeah. 39 is a RSI.
Yeah, those are all
But I mean,
ingredients for.
got a little room to go on the 4 hour there on the RSI.
What's the daily looking like?
It is RSI of 62, and
Okay.
and the MACD's pointing straight up. So the MACD's getting up there, and the RSI's is flat. It's going straight across. It's not pointing up or down right now.
Is the MACD above or below the neutral line?
It just went above. It's above it by a good little ways.
Well, it's got plenty of room to come down.
And the other line there in the MACD is not quite. It's right at that middle line, at the oscillator.
Man,
It looks
when
like
Bitcoin blew through my trend line, I really thought that was it. I thought it was really gonna
go
go,
down or
yeah, go down, but now it's just riding it
oh really?
on the 15 minute.
I was gonna say on what? On 15 minute?
Yeah,
On the 15 or on the 10 minute, I'm looking at right now. The Bitcoin RSI is 45 now,
hmm
and but the MACD it's way below the oscillator, or yeah, the middle line, way below it.
Mikey K says eat to 1800 lip. Oh boys, well we hit our 1500 last night or today.
What are you talking about? 1800?
He said eat to 1800 lip.
Oh,
Mikey
gotcha.
K. So, but yeah, I don't know. I think it all depends on what happens with Bitcoin here.
It's going up right at the moment. It's at 20,270.
It's still down for the day though, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I mean, when I made that call, it was at 20,600, and
Right now I'm up 71% short.
I haven't even looked. I'm afraid to.
How much leverage did you?
17%.
Yeah, see, I used 40 times, not me
Ooh.
time, 17 times, right?
I use 17x.
Yeah, times,
Yeah.
not percent. Is all I'm saying.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But I'm in for 40 times, and I'm up 72.96%. I don't know if I should take profit or not. I guess I could take profit and then turn around and buy back in at that level, and
Just, I mean, if you're gonna be watching it for a few minutes, I'd just watch it for a little bit here and see what. Like I said, we're only an hour and a half out of the daily candle, so
yeah,
if you see it starting to, if it starts hitting 20,300, then 20,350, then
yeah.
you might start thinking about it. Doge to 10 cents, Lip. Boy, I sure wish it would be. That would make my day, Mikey K. Shorty, how's the bots?
Let me look. They were doing phenomenal because I've got a Doge bot that I started last night, and my entry on the Doge bot is 0.07381, which is a hell of an entry. I'm still above my entry. I'm up $9.94 in that bot, and it's been arbitraging. It's done 270 arbitrage in the last 24 hours.
Does that mean buys and sells?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
And
Damn.
yeah, I was up at one point almost 7,000% in the APR.
Yeah, but those arbitrages are just for pennies, aren't they? Pretty much, or
Yeah, but I'm up in 24 hours. I'm up $6.64 in arbitrage in grid profit.
damn.
Yeah,
So the
and
whole
then
the whole thing would net you about $15.
$9.82 at the moment because I'm up $3.16
Oh,
in the with the price of the coin.
gotcha.
And then but my parameters are 7 cents up to 8.5, or 7 cents up to 0.085. Um, and then my
I mean,
XRP bot that I've got, what?
yeah. Right now, you picked the perfect time to freaking get in a
I
Doge bot.
I know that's why I did that. And then XRP, um, I'm down 21 cents. I was up $2 or $3 in that, but this is the longest I think I've ever had a bot running. This XRP bot, 14 days so far.
Damn.
Yeah, and because
Hey,
I feel like I want to be in a XRP when the court decision comes around, because I feel like it's going to be a huge spike, and this is my way
it may be
of
delayed a little bit, so don't be surprised if that happens.
yeah, I know.
But Man, when Dogecoin hit 0.085, I was like, oh boy, here we go. This could be.
It
I
did
really.
hit half,
That's what I'm showing my high is on TradingViews 0.085.
right?
So I thought we were going to go to the. I thought we'd probably hit 9. But
Yeah.
it's like I said, like I told you, it was the last time I was texting you. Freakishly comparable to the last time it went to the moon,
Right.
literally.
Yeah.
We don't have. The only difference is this is organic. We don't have any outside sources technically doing this. I did read an article that stated that Doge picked up 100,000 new, which I'm not sure how they got this number, but 100,000 new investors last month.
Interesting.
Yeah. I don't know how they know that, but I guess different platforms probably have that information.
Yeah.
Now, it could be new on their platform, maybe. I don't know. But, because I don't know how they would know for sure. Like, if I just say I bought Doge on Robinhood, and then I bought Doge on Webull,
Right.
and then, I mean, how they don't talk to each other, I'm sure, so.
Yeah.
Even though I've owned Doge for a long time, Webull might come in as like, oh, it's a new investor.
Right.
So I don't know how that works, but anyways, that's what the article said. Shorty, you like money? I like
Money.
money.
I like money. You don't like money. I like money. Yeah, yeah.
You had any potatoes tonight?
Not yet. I just got home.
Hey Amber, what's Tommy doing tonight?
Farm bill.
Gotta keep them crops watered. Or
He's, he's aggravated.
if it's a harvest season.
Yep.
What's he aggravated about?
Oh, we got served with the unlawful detainer.
Uh-oh. What was it? Unlawful what?
The unlawfully detainer.
What's that? Unlawfully detainer.
They're taking us to court.
Oh, gotcha.
How far out's your court date?
Don't know yet. We got to respond by Monday, and then we get a court date. I talked to a lawyer today, and they got grounds for the eviction.
Yeah, I mean,
They do have grounds?
Yep.
That sucks.
They want us out. So, and I asked them, I said, well, how can they serve us with the unlawfully detainer when our 30 days ain't up until the 6th? I thought they served us with the 30 days. Then if we were still here past the 30 days, then it goes into the unlawfully detainer.
Right?
Not in the state of Arkansas.
Maybe if your court date's before that, the judge would probably give you the month you paid the rent. You're current on the rent, right?
No, they refused rent this month.
Ah.
That's the reason why they get to serve us with the unlawfully detainer. They fucked us, pretty much. Them refusing the rent has the grounds for the eviction.
Man.
But they gave us the 30 days. When they should have given us the 3 days to pay or quit. Instead of the 30 days.
Yeah.
Huh. Those are some interesting people.
And because there's no lease and no rent receipts, they fucked us. They knew what they were doing pretty much. It's our word against their word.
Right, right. What do you say?
Pretty much she was trying to split me and Thomas apart, my sister.
Oh.
Well, as far as you not paying the rent in the past, like, I don't know how it is there, but in Indiana, I mean, if you have somebody that comes in and shacks up in the place, you gotta take them to court to kick them out because it's considered they're lawfully living there or whatever, I guess.
What?
But,
Yeah, we still got to go to court before they can physically kick us out. That is
Right.
correct.
Right.
And stuff. So when we pretty much when we go down and we file Monday for the response and stuff, we turn it into the courthouse, and then we send a copy to his lawyer because he's gotten a lawyer involved. We send a copy of our response to the lawyer. Then we'll get a notice in the mail when our court date is. When pretty much the way the lawyer explained it to us, we want to be out by that court date. So let's say that our court date's set for November 14th. Let's just use that as an example.
Right.
We want to be out by that court date.
Why
Because
would you
if
want to be?
not, yeah, because they got the grounds for the eviction. The judge is going to rule in their favor.
Well,
Right.
our judge usually gives you the week to get out.
At least
Not
a week.
here. Not here. 24 hours.
Oh, really?
Not out when 24 hours we get the rip against our record and it's a permanent eviction.
Sheesh. Harsh. That's crazy. They only give somebody 24 hours to move. I mean, I can't lie. I mean, sometimes there would be cases where I wouldn't mind that, but like in your guys' case, it's not like you're destroying the place or anything.
Oh no, that's what he has claimed. He's claimed that Thomas has put holes in the walls, which he has not. I've already stated I can take pictures of it.
Definitely take pictures of it.
Um,
Take that in Monday.
He has stated that we have damaged the property, that Thomas has denied him access to his shed, that Thomas has changed the locks on the shed. We have not. He's the one that changed the locks on the shed. We have no keys now to the shed. We are refusing to maintain the yard. Can't maintain the yard because he changed the locks on the shed, so Thomas has no access to the lawnmower now.
Man, oh man. Sounds like a cluster F to me.
Pretty much. So I'm going to this weekend. I've been in the bed all day and stuff. I was up all night and stuff with a massive migraine, and yeah, I've been up. So I laid down after getting off the phone with the attorney and my kid. I laid down and didn't get up until about 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7:30, somewhere around in there.
Yeah.
Right.
So this week, I'm gonna work on the house and getting it straightened up and everything to where I can start taking pictures to take it in with us Monday with our response.
For sure. That's what I would do. Lep, Arts District is going to be big for apartment buildings. You mean in real life, or do you mean in the in Upland? I think you mean in real life. Yeah, but shit's expensive there, isn't it? Arts District? I mean, I've never even seen it, but 3-day evictions, that'd be nice.
So if we can't find nothing here, we may be going back to my home state. Well, not my exact home state, but my second home state.
Is that Colorado?
Nope, Tennessee.
Oh. The old Volunteers. They got a really good football team this year. College.
Be closer to two of my kids. My oldest and then my youngest. Which, to some extent, ain't gonna help us out, but to some extent it might, because I do got my sister out there. My biological sister, when I say sister.
Yeah.
And I got my mom and my dad out there. My mom and my stepfather out there.
Oh, yeah. Well.
I might be home with you, you won't be.
So it is what it is right now. We're looking and stuff like that. It's just aggravating and frustrating right now. My brother's still looking in Florida, so Florida's not completely off the table yet.
I'd say Florida would be pretty expensive too, though.
That's the problem that we're running into and stuff like that. Everything that he's finding, and then when he's finding something that is in our price range, it's restriction on age.
Oh, they just want
It's not
retired people.
it's not Thomas's age, it's mine and Sean's age.
Yeah, because Tommy's pretty old.
Hey, Lad, do you ever get videos that have like less views later?
They have like
Does your
what?
view count ever go? I've had a few videos kind of like pop, and my view count has gone down from what it was previous.
Yeah, I did. I used to have that, and I noticed it more on shorts than I did on videos. I never have been
Yeah,
able
they're
to.
shorts.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why that is, but I have had that. Yes,
What was the question? Have you had what?
like views, like on your shorts.
Your total views will just all of a sudden go down by like 2 and then 5, and then you're like, what the fuck?
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah, because I had one doing really well. This has been quite a while ago, and it was well
Yeah,
over like it was like a couple hundred views. And the next time I looked, it was like 88. I'm like, what the hell? I was one of, one of my better ones. What happened? I never did figure it out. Never did.
Hey, that shit coin that I bought is doing pretty decent for me.
Which one was that?
No, it's actually called shit coin.
Oh,
SHIT coin.
where'd you buy that at?
MEXC,
Okay.
and it's currently got 7 zeros, 0.7 zeros. But I only put like I've got 202 million coins, and I can't remember if I put $4 or $5 in, but it's up to $6.12 now, $6.12. I bought that thinking that, if it goes to if it even erases a zero or two, then I'll be big time money.
Sounds kind of shitty to me.
Yeah, and I've got another one called Pitbull,
Yeah.
and I've got 9 billion with a B, 9 billion coin.
Damn.
Because it's got like 8 zeros.
You can't get
And
many. You can't get many football on that, can you?
Let me look. That's the coin. You don't know what the ticker is?
I don't. Luna talks about it all the time, but it's something that I saw like shit probably a year and a half ago, way before I even knew Luna, and I always thought it looked interesting. It's kind of a. They say it's gonna have something to do with the future of like fantasy sports. I don't know what
Oh.
that all entails.
They've got a football, USD, just football, but not mini football.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I'm not positive what that is. Now, careful with that, KRS. You don't want to do so many. You can't talk tonight. Do you remember Do you remember last night?
Yeah. I just got tired. I started laying down on my couch and I was listening to you guys.
I know.
I'll be right back. My kid's calling.
All right, put Thomas on.
Were you on last night?
I'll try.
Or not last night, Tuesday night. No, I was not on last night.
Okay,
No,
gotcha.
I just got a little stoned.
Yeah.
Ape said, every time, I don't know why, every time I think about this, I laugh. Ape said, you sound like your eyes are red. It tickles me every time I think about that. He's like, dude, you sound like your eyes are red. So, Squarefoot messaged us today. He's doing well. Said he's never been happier. His life's getting back together. His relationship with his wife is doing great and doing very well. So said that he'll be back sooner than later.
Good deal.
Yeah. I was like, come by and say hi sometime. I was like, you don't have to stay all night, just for, even for a few minutes.
Yeah.
I think his problem is once he comes, he doesn't want to leave.
Right, yeah.
But I don't know I'll have to text him. I don't know if he's still if he stays up later than his wife or not. Because after his wife and kid go to bed, there really, wouldn't be any reason why he couldn't come on.
Yeah, well, as far as we know.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't put it like that, but I guess I was thinking that would be a good time as any.
Yeah.
Is ETH pumping?
I don't know. I took profit on my BTC short, and I got back in, and it's
Nice.
way higher. It's way higher. Or, I mean, in other words, it's gone up since I got back in. So,
Yeah.
pretty good move, I guess.
Yeah.
Ouch, Daisy! Don't quit biting.
Crazy Daisy, be careful. Shorty. Profits, profits, profits.
Profits, profits, profits. That's right.
Profits, profits, profits. Crazy Daisy. Calm down, Crazy Daisy.
She just. I think she thought I just said that. Cocked her head sideways.
Daisy.
She looking at the phone like, what the hell?
Come on, he's 1600. 1600. He's asking for the whole kit and caboodle. What are you gonna do when it hits 1600? So I just asked because I have a feeling you're not gonna sell it.
The RSI's getting up there on ETH.
You just gonna celebrate? You got the little pop confetti and the little blowhorns with your little cone hat.
on the 10 minute on the MACD. Well, MACD's coming up, but it's below the oscillator. But it's got a ways. It's got room to go up on the 10 minute.
That's
Ethereum.
great.
Or yeah, Ethereum.
Oh, Ethereum.
Isn't that what he was talking about? ETH.
Yeah, it was. He's got one ETH, one full ETH. He got like a. What'd you get it at, Mikey K? You got it at like $900 some dollars.
Nice.
He's one of them that pulled the trigger, and the rest of us just thought, boy, right now would be an awful good time to buy right now.
Yeah.
876. Jesus. You may never see that again.
Is that
I say that, but
most recent all-time low? Close to it, wouldn't it be? Or how low did it get?
probably in the last several years. Yeah, that was probably about the low, wasn't it, Mikey K? I don't know. I think it's the lowest I've seen it since I've started following. Last couple years. Man, it's amazing how time flies. I'm closing in on December 15th. Will be a whole year I've streamed.
Yeah.
And I traded crypto about a year and a half before that. So, damn. I'm not sure, he says. I think 876 has got to be towards the bottom end. As of the last couple of years, probably. Maybe, I don't know.
I'm glad to see volume and everything on stuff. Seems like it's up.
Hmm. Even though the stock market's done very well this month, it's on pace to break there'll be the highest gaining month since 1987.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but
Am I? Yeah.
with the earnings season and everything, people might be getting a little scared and getting out of the stocks and getting back into crypto. I don't know.
Yeah. It sounds like Amazon's the only one to have really, really bad earnings, though.
No, there was a list of Google was pretty bad. There was a list of them I saw on Kramer tonight. I can't remember all of them. Doesn't
This
Luna have
DX,
cat girl shitcoin? Yeah, well, he
Yeah.
talks about it all the time, so I presume he does.
this DXY is about to take a shit.
The DXY is taking a shit. I'm looking at it right now.
Is it?
I mean, a real shit.
I think
Like the kind that makes your butt hurt?
I think Bitcoin has decoupled. I don't think Bitcoin's working inverse of it anymore. What do you got?
It doesn't seem like it is in small increments anyway now. It's just saying.
Tommy 2 liter in the house.
What's up? How many 2 liters, Tommy? I beat Mikey K to it. Nah,
Oh,
nah,
yeah.
nah, nah, nah.
I went for 6-pack yesterday. I'm already out.
I was at Walmart today and somebody asked me how my YouTube channel, Crypto Leprechaun, was going. They said, "Man, I love that guy, Tommy 2 liter."
You're full of shit.
Yeah.
What?
They're talking about Fred. They were talking about me.
Oh, he said Tommy 2 liter. They want to Uber you a Pepsi just as a joke.
Funny. I sold my Bitcoin on a profit. Bought in low. So I'm long on that right now. I made a little profit today.
I've got a short on that.
Yes.
What's your entry on your long?
My entry on my long?
Yeah.
Yep.
0.06275.
You mean
Wow.
Doge?
You said Bitcoin. You meant Doge?
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
I'm
right.
not sure. I'm not shorting Doge.
That's a whole different story. Hold on a sec. Let me switch gears for a second.
That's a hell of an entry on your Doge, though.
Yeah.
0.06 what?
0.06275.
Yeah, that's a hell of a entry point.
I tried shorting it. Didn't work out, but I said, okay, it don't matter because I took profits on it.
Yeah, I try not to. I don't ever short Doge.
I thought you did that. I thought you did that Tuesday, or did you do it again?
I did it again.
Nice, good work. Cause you did almost the exact same damn thing, didn't you?
Yep.
Tuesday.
Yep.
Good work. You got an eye for that. I tell you, I don't know if I could do that.
How'd you get in that low of a long? When did you get into that?
Today,
Today it was down that low?
I got, what's my average price?
Mom and dad,
Do what now?
That was my average price. Let me double
you
check.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
what he got his average price at.
Let me see. I got it 079, 077, and 075.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's still. I'm not saying that it's not an option, baby.
Let me double check if I got any more.
She's calling somebody baby.
What's her baby? I got the DX.
Yeah, I also got 75, 77. Yeah, between 75 and 77.
Spacebar when you're on your charts because it just shuffles. Fuck.
What,
What?
Dixie?
trading view because spacebar is my push to talk button, but you can't do it when you're looking at charts.
Oh. Dang, Mikey K says.
Or just start shuffling all your favorites.
I'll be right back. I forgot something.
Yeah.
Just since I haven't done it for a while.
Get a beer?
Beep beep.
Maybe.
It looks like the Dixie's coming back up a little bit.
Fred, that's the Dixie and BTC. The Dixie is the neon green. Well, here, I'll actually change the colors completely.
You talking to us?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
What now? What's going on?
Can you see the chart?
No,
Oh, never mind.
not at the moment. I mean, I'm not looking. I'm not looking honestly. Not yet.
Alright, I'm back.
That's nice. That's real nice.
Did I miss anything?
My deck.
I did something today that could possibly make us all rich.
What is that?
Do tell.
I bought a Powerball ticket.
Oh.
Win
Now, how the hell are they going to make us all rich?
Win Lambo!
I'm going to have a tax write-off, so I'll have to give it to charity, right? And you guys,
We're charity.
you'll form a charity, and then I'll give it to you guys.
I just started a 401 whatever number nonprofit.
5013C.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Perfect. You guys can work for him, and I'll give to his charity, and then he can pay you. Or I don't know how that would work.
Better yet,
yeah, you can have employees.
So you can be tax-free. See?
better yet, you could take a tax loss on your one of your properties and sell it to me for $5.
Yeah. I'm going to need tax write-off, so yeah, we can work something
Gotta
out.
hit the Powerball first.
NFTs could be a tax write-off, can't they?
No.
Kinda.
Are they art?
You would
I
think.
mean, they're taxable.
Ah.
I
So
wonder.
why can't they be tax written off?
Oh, that's a good question.
I don't think
Well,
so.
the value would have to drop on it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But who sets that value? It's because it's worth what somebody will pay for it.
He has to go. He has to go below what you paid. So if he sold it at the loss, you take the loss every taxes.
So you
It
could just
wouldn't-
set a price and then set it roll over, right?
It
Yeah.
wouldn't be considered an asset, though. So I don't know
NFTs are assets. It's
They
part
are?
of crypto. They are part of crypto.
Yeah, but crypto, I guess it is. It's an asset, not a security.
It's an asset, not a security.
Right. Okay.
Big difference.
Yeah.
Securities are regulated with the FCC.
Right.
Assets are just regulated by the IRS on how much you get taxed for.
Right. Doge is coming down a little bit.
If you're gifted crypto and it goes up, do you have to pay taxes on that?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Depends on who. What do you? Wait a minute. The person giving the gift wouldn't.
We
Because
have to pay taxes. The
I-
person that gives the gift does it.
But I'm
But-
telling you now.
Yeah, but like you can gift your family members up to in Indiana. You can up to $10,000 a year untaxable.
Right. Well, that would probably fall under that.
Yeah, you can gift your family or people like, you know.
But there'd be a certain basis for it though, and then if it went up from there, it would be then that part would be taxed.
The problem is the person you give it to, that could be taxable.
Well, yeah, but I don't know what your basis if it'd be 0 because it was a gift
No, they go by market value at the time you got it.
at the time you got it. Yeah.
Unless I find somebody with a place that would be.
Unless it goes from wallet to wallet or ledger to ledger, they can't trace it.
I'm gonna say, how would they even know?
But the only way you can really make sure you don't get the RS on you on that one is if you're mining it.
I know.
But once somebody sells it, they got it. Because
Right,
every exchange you go to has to report the sale.
Kucoin doesn't.
Depends on where they're from. Yeah, some of them
You can
overseas
go
though.
off.
Kucoin should because
Depends on what country you're from, right, KRS?
That, and you can just go off exchange.
Crypto Watch, welcome to the stream, my friend. He says, then they can write you a check in return for $10,000 as well.
Bitcoin coming down.
Yeah.
I'm glad that I got back in. I mean, I'm glad that I took profit and got back in.
Yeah, Doge is coming down too.
Look at this minute.
No, the minutes gives me a heart attack. I can't really watch it. No, I can. I bet the minute's got a huge candle, I bet. I'm on a 15 and it's pretty good size. Crypto Watch, what's up, my friend? What part of the country are you from? You don't have to give exact. Just curious what region you're in.
KRS, do you have a Dixie overlay on that? Underlay?
For example, I'm in Northwest Arkansas.
I'm in the Midwest.
That's a big spot.
Southern Indiana.
More
There you
specifically,
go.
more specifically, Indiana.
Indiana's a big state.
With a Hoosier!
Dixie's in
Hoosiers?
green, Bitcoin's in orange and red. Green and blue is, or orange and blue is Dixie. God, fucking retarded.
Orange, okay, yeah.
Dab, dab, dab it up. Dab, dab, dab it up.
I guess for the most part, it's still working inversely, isn't it?
They're both trending down.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, the Dixie's down 23 cents.
Yeah, but
They're piggybacking.
I was just looking at.
They're gonna start working together?
They might be turning down. No, they might be turning down, but Bitcoin went up, and even in its downtrend, it went up. It looks like there's a. What is that? A 15-minute KRS?
Uno.
Those.
See.
Yeah.
I was like, one? No, not during the football game, damn it. Gotta fuck me all up. I'm just watching a football game because I got Lamar Jackson on my fantasy team.
Scare the shit out of you or what?
Yeah, well, I just all of a sudden went to the phone. I was like, right in the middle of the play. Damn, I was gonna get ready to say something too. Oh, Bitcoin looks like we keep getting lower lows too, except for this last little sideways action here. But as of what time was that? 8:15. It got as low. Bitcoin got as low as 20,154.
Yeah. At 8:15.
Yep.
So 2 hours ago.
Yep.
Now Bitcoin coming back up a little bit.
Mikey K, you could if you were in Discord, you could get you a real nice little leprechaun NFT.
He's our.
Oh, did he get one? Damn, I was trying to persuade him.
I don't know when they come out with new NFTs.
I don't know, man. I've not heard much good stuff about NFTs lately.
Make one with Fred.
Ha!
He's a superstar.
Yeah.
AI ruined it.
Yeah.
I mean, graphic design is not a job anymore. I can be a graphic designer just because I'm part of some fucking club.
All you gotta do is have the app or the software. I
And
mean,
you
it's
get and let them invite you in.
yeah. I mean, I don't want to make it sound like it's super simple because I know it's not, and I don't want to take it away from
It is
anybody.
super simple.
Okay, well, maybe it is.
AI, all you do is just type it in. It's just they don't like a lot of the users on their shit, so I don't know. Maybe anybody could probably join right now until it fills up.
What club? What are you talking about? What club?
You talking about like Crayon or?
Crayon, or Dolly too, which is Dolly.
Yeah. I knew Abe would say something. Abe said, ouch. Okay, then, that's not art.
I mean, I get it. There's still going to be like nice, cool art, but for the most part, you can easily whip some shit up quick as fuck.
I was trying to save you, Abe.
Yeah, but it's not specifically, or probably in the fine print. There's probably some place in there where it says you use it for commercial purpose and all this out here.
I digress.
Oh, I can use it for whatever fucking purpose I want to use it for. I have full right to it.
That's his, sucker.
Yeah, whatever I create, whatever I type up and take off the site is mine then.
Really? Huh.
Correct. And it saves all my shit that I've ever searched. All this new, because I'm like an actual member. I'm not like just a tester or whatever, just using the free shit.
Right.
It shows me everything I've ever searched. It's got like, you can like just tap on an image and then it'll bring up all these other images of it, of like what might be a design around that real quick. It's all these like real quick highlighted icons. I don't know. It's really neat.
How many different versions of squirrel balls do you have on there?
Well, that's where I got my YouTube icon from.
Squirrel balls?
It's a squirrel chasing a Bitcoin like a nut in space.
Oh.
Here, let me say yo.
Oh, that's Discord. I was getting ready to say, mine just says KRS. That's Discord.
Well, I'm in there with my squirrel account too.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. I've seen it before.
I mean, I get it, Abe. It's not art, but it surpasses our needs in the moment.
This is kind of wild on my BTC chart. I don't know how many of you are on YouTube that can see it, but my bottom trend line, BTC has fallen it to a T since like, what time is it? 4:30 this afternoon. And my top trend line and my bottom trend line finally meet together at like on November 4th.
Which that'll be the that's a what downward descending wedge or a descending wedge.
Yeah, like a huge one, like a M. Pepin descending wedge, but
Bull flag or bear flag or pennant. Which one?
That'd be a bear, but I'm trying to see where they finally meet. They meet at like about 17.4.
And then it's supposed to go up from there, right?
Well, my original prediction was 17.65.
Right.
So that's pretty close to that, ironically. And then I don't think it's going to stay down there very long. But it could keep going down. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, or we could go to the moon from here. I don't know. You know how crypto is.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think we're about out of earnings season, aren't we?
Yeah, I think our next catalyst would be the Fed meeting, which I believe they're only going to ease or cut rate or damn it, increase rates by a half a point instead of 3/4, which that'll shoot things up if they do that.
Crypto Ape said, I saw you, Fred, lurking in Thames last night.
Yeah, I was there. I saw you as well, Ape.
We're about to see an explosion in BTC to 22K.
When is that going? When do you think that's going to happen, Ape? Because last night you said 21K, so I did the opposite of what you said. I did a short.
I better stop loss.
It's coming back down a little bit.
Damn, they score. A week or so. Yeah, BTC, it either shits and gets or it is like a slow-moving train. This weekend might be the start of it. Yo, Ape, Mikey K says, which I guess Ape can probably see it if he's on YouTube. Well, I'll have you guys up. I knew I was missing something. Tommy, how your crops doing? Amber said it was harvest season. How many bushels you getting? I guess some farmers around here are having some record crops. I don't know what that relates to and as far as how many bushels, but we're in, I guess you could say we're basically in a farming community. So we are. I got a lot of friends that are farmers, and I see on their Facebook that they're having some really good yields. Mikey K, I can't hear Tommy. Tommy, you talking? He's on mute. I don't know. I can't hear him either. They had to get a refill. I don't make predictions on Tame ever. Asking all the time. Just nice to hear others.
Who said that?
Ape.
Oh, gotcha.
Anybody know where Tame's been? Or have I missed him? Because I haven't seen him on there for like over a week.
No, I don't. I don't know.
Need to text him. Kids?
Something about
Oh,
yeah,
he's
something.
dealing with his girlfriend's kids? Well, I wish him the best. He's in Discord a lot. He's on there tonight, but... So if you're listening out there, Tame, I hope everything goes well, friend. I need to get with him. He's wanting me to come back on for an After Dark episode, but I don't want to bother him if he's going through some shit.
Well, you don't really know what it may not be. It just may be something he can't get on, like on YouTube with.
It might just be time consuming.
Yeah.
He bet his girlfriend kids a Tonka truck on Futures or Hot Wheels. It's not bad things, it's a kid thing. I understand. I really do. My son and I are kind of in a way going through the same thing. We're trying to get his ADHD medicine straightened out, and I'm trying to get my anxiety medicine straightened out. And
you still having issues with yours?
yeah, I'm giving it some time. He upped my dosage, but
Right.
it just makes me very lethargic and very fatigued, and like all I want to do is I can't, like, sometimes I can't even hardly
Yeah, you got.
get out of
Sounds
bed.
like
But I do feel like I feel like I'm starting to turn a corner again. The medicine I'm on takes about a month to kick in, so after
yeah.
I was just starting to feel good when I went back to see him, and he upped my medicine, and then I started feeling the same effects all over again. So, but I think I'm starting to turn a corner, and it's been about 3 weeks, so that's about right.
Yeah.
He's doing the dad stuff. Yep, I get it. And sometimes after you do the dad stuff, you're just so tired. You just emotionally just can't do the stream thing. Because it does take some energy, especially if you stream as long as Tame and I do. There's not very many streamers out there that stream as long as he and I do at a time.
Hey, what was that tweet about that posted and then it went away about Steven Steele?
I don't. What do you mean? I don't know.
He posted it in general chat, I think, or something.
He's starting a radio show or something.
Oh, he said something about his deck. You wonder if his deck broke or something.
Oh, he posted a video.
They took it down.
Did they
Twitter
really?
did.
Really?
I think it was deleted.
It was just a very large woman who was walking up the stairs to her deck, and she leaned on the rail and fell off the deck.
Oh.
I just posted it because all of our deck conversations, I thought it was kind
Yeah.
of fitting for us, but
Right.
I don't know. Yeah, Steven, he's one of my first started watching, and he's having some health issues or something. I don't know.
Oh. They were talking last night. Tame's Discord about how Matt Wallace ought to be put in jail. Because of his clickbait
Oh, it's
stuff.
awful. He never even talks about anything he puts on his clickbait.
No.
And if you notice, it's the same type stuff over and over and over as far as, Doge to $1. This Doge taking off. Dude, Doge getting ready to moon. Doge,
Yeah.
It's like, come on. Which I hate to say too much because I will say that he's one of the first streamers to reach out to me.
Yeah, I know you did. When you first started streaming.
Yep.
Bitcoin kind of moving sideways here, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I used to tell this story a lot when I first started streaming, but when I first started streaming, I reached out to a few of the streamers I had followed for like over a year. They all knew who I was, you know what I mean? And
Right.
and the two largest ones, Matt Wallace and Tame, were like reached right out, just hit me right back. Actually, Matt Wallace hit me first, and but Tame hit me right back, and I won't mention names, but two or three of the smaller ones would not even acknowledge me.
Yeah.
After like 2 times, I just gave up, and I was like, so I don't know if the smaller ones felt threatened, and the big ones were just like, they knew there was plenty to go around, didn't care, or I don't know, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
You find out a lot about people when you do stuff like that.
Right, right.
I noticed tonight that Tame switched his chat to subscribers only.
Like a YouTube chat, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
That probably cuts down on a lot of FOMO and spammers and stuff like that.
What do you mean by FOMO?
I don't really mean FOMO. I meant spammers and
Spammers, yeah, FUD.
FUD, yeah, FUD, and
Yeah.
yeah. Which he usually has, people in there that can police it, but not, there's probably times where, because it's up there 24/7, so there's probably times where there's nobody in there.
Is I'm a Duck, is that really him?
Oh, I don't know, because he's been in here quite a few times. No, because I've talked to him, Duck. He's talked.
Yeah, he's talked in here.
I think he seems like an older man.
James chat.
You what?
I'm not a member, and I just posted in Tame's chat.
Oh, really? Mine says subscribers only. No, I think that just means if you just gotta be subscribed to his channel, I think.
Yeah, you do have to be subscribed for 1 minute.
Are you subscribed?
Yes.
That's probably why you could chat.
What the hell just happened?
With what?
All of a sudden, I was in there by myself. I was in another chat room.
It does that to me too.
Ape moved you.
Somebody.
We blame Abe every time.
Ape said he's been in here. He's an older fellow. Yeah,
Okay.
I remember when he first started coming in here. I had a hard time. He sounded a lot like Tommy, I thought.
Huh. I just wondered because Uh, he is on Thames a lot, like telling people to subscribe and Discord and all that.
Yeah, he actually does that when he comes into my room.
Yeah.
He's a pretty good old boy. Tame says he's not in Discord. He's clearing his name.
What?
Or Tame. Did I say Tame? Crypto Ape
Yeah.
said he's not in Discord.
Oh. Oh, so he couldn't have moved.
Yeah. He's probably actually trying to do some work tonight. Tuesday night he was there till like 3 in the morning, I think. Because he was on here all night.
Ha.
He's like, I gotta get some work done or I'm gonna be here all night. I think he works on Thursday nights. Monday through
Yeah.
Thursday, isn't it? I think.
I saw him streaming. He had his video on earlier, a little
Yeah.
bit ago. Looked like he was at.
Working my ass off, he says.
Yeah.
18 hours a day? At the school?
No, I'm sure he's all together.
Monday through Friday. I didn't know you were. For some reason, I didn't know you worked Friday nights. Yes, sir. Well, good. That keeps you young, walking all those miles.
Bitcoin coming back.
Oh, yeah, I think it is a school. He says we're short-handed. And the school won't clean itself. Not yet. Not until the Elon's robots start coming in and taking your job.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Doge. Don't lose all your gains. That's what I was worried about.
Worry about who losing their gains?
Doge.
Oh. Yeah. Down to 732.
Love, I guess. Just hope that it stays above 7, maybe.
Everything looks like it's pretty much down. Pretty much.
Eight hours at 22 hour, the time and a half for the rest. Very nice.
Yeah. There's about $11 difference between Bitcoin's regular price and futures. I wonder what that means.
There usually is in crypto, isn't there?
I didn't know there was that much of a difference.
How much difference?
$11 right now.
Oh, I think it's usually about 10, from what I've seen.
Yeah, I guess so.
Then weddings on the weekends. Weddings are done though, aren't they? You got time to scratch your balls now.
Now you got holiday.
Oh, holidays, yeah. I bet you get a lot of Christmas parties, don't you? From corporations, companies, factories, stuff. Or I don't know how many factories you have up there, but
Not in Montana.
that's why I said that.
Yeah.
Where'd Amber go, Tommy? she in Farmville now? Competition? Don't forget to check in, Amber, on your Upland. Christmas parties and school dances too, or tons. Oh, I bet you get a lot of like winter dances and Christmas. Yeah, I bet you do. Formals. Do you do a lot of proms?
Yeah, I never thought about prom.
I mean, I don't know how many schools you got around you, but then proms, yeah. The working man never sleeps. "16 schools. In Missoula County. Damn. That must be one of the highest populated areas. I don't know much about Montana, but I would have to guess that's probably one of. Yes, and Billings. Gotcha. My dad used to go to Montana with a group of guys hunting back in his young days, but Fred, do you remember what part he used to go to? Beeler? Beeler? Beeler?
I'm still here.
Okay, I started whenever I was the only one here. Shorty, you there?
Daisy, let him go.
Yeah. Is he back? Something just flashed. I don't know what it was.
Hello?
Yeah, you back?
Oh, yeah, Dad called.
That's ironic.
What?
I was just saying that Dad used to go up to Montana hunting. I didn't know if you remembered what part of Montana that was.
No, I'd have to give it some thought as far as what town he went to. It was like a ranch that, they went to every year for several years.
They had a guide and stuff, didn't they?
No, I mean, the rancher that had like a cat, I don't know what you call it, like a ranch house, like a place where they slept, a bunkhouse that they slept, and then the rancher's wife would cook breakfast for them and stuff. And but I mean, they were up there enough that they, several years in a row where they knew their way around as far as that goes.
Right.
I guess the rancher would tell them, tidbits of information as far as like, stay away from blah blah blah, or go up over that ridge or whatever. I guess I'm not sure.
I'll have to find out. I'm curious now. I can't remember. I'm sure he said a billion times. I just never really pay attention, I guess.
Yeah, I don't remember. I don't remember if he ever really said what little town they were in. I don't know.
Tommy, you still here or are you counting your money? I guess you can't do two things at once. Profits, profits, profits. Mikey K back in the house from Las Vegas, Nevada. Mikey, what do you do out in Las Vegas? Is Tommy moving to Vegas? I don't know. I doubt it. Sounds like he's coming to the Midwest. There's Luna. Mini football on the hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and the yearly. What other coin has those stats? I don't know, but I wish if there was an easier way to buy it, I probably would. I'm a professional gambler. Nice. You ever bet on sports? Or are you not a sports guy? A lot of times, poker guys are sports guys. If I ever get a hot lead, I'll tell you. I don't have any right now, but... I think the Astros have a hell of a chance to win the World Series, though. However, the odds are probably not in the bettor's favor. I'm only on for a few, then I won't be on for another 3 hours. Alright, Luna.
The Yankees sure took a shit. What the hell? Who was that?
Damn, I forgot to pull my one butt cheek over.
Who just passed gas?
I did accidentally.
That sounded like more than an accident.
At least it was dry.
Yeah.
Check your drawers.
Forgot to pull my butt cheek over to see if that worked. It did. It didn't. Well,
What do you mean, pull so be silent?
KRS said if you pull one butt cheek over where you fart, it won't make a sound.
Oh.
Or is
Yeah,
or is it both of them?
I don't know. We'll try it again next time.
Yeah. Yeah, I get a lock. I will play. I think the Astros are a lock to win the World Series, but like I said, I don't think the odds are gonna be. They're gonna be a pretty heavy favorite, I think. Phillies are damn lucky to get where they got.
The Phillies are there?
Yeah, Phillies and the Astros.
Huh. It still seems weird to me, the Astros in the American League.
I know, it's hard to convert over after all those years.
Bitcoin taking a dipper route.
Luna says Binance 6% staking with ETH. That's pretty good. You hear that, Mikey? You could get 6% on your ETH. What's the withdrawal time period on that though?
In other words, what's it locked up for?
Yeah, or is it locked up, or is it? What's the situation?
Bitcoin's gonna push down here a little bit.
Busted through my trend line.
What, on Doge?
No, Bitcoin.
Oh, really? Down?
Yeah.
Downward? Yeah.
20,000 to 16, 14. Where do you have your Ethereum at, Mikey? And what's your mother's maiden name? Lep, you need a
Give me
Corvette.
those keys.
Yeah. Lep, you need a Corvette. I would love a Corvette. I love Corvette. I like the older style, though. I don't like the... Well, I don't know. The new ones are awfully nice. I shouldn't say that. I like the new ones, but... LOL, you need gift cards. Yeah, go to CVS, buy $20 gift cards, and I'll give you my P.O. box. And then I'll send you Doge in return. 1 Doge for every gift card I get.
My chart makes a little heart.
Oh,
It
isn't that sweet?
does. Cute.
What'd you do? Invert the colors?
No, I don't know. Maybe I don't remember what it was. I changed it. I made the DXY so I could see its RSI.
DXY used to be the gold, the yellow and blue.
So I did change it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I changed it because I wanted to see the Dixie's RSI.
So is Bitcoin on the bottom now?
Bitcoin's yellow and blue.
Okay. Wonder what's that mean when they come together like that? So, wonder if that means.
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's just them passing over a chart that's working together. They're both on their own price scale, though.
You like Google Store? Can't say I've had much experience with the Google Store.
We just broke below 20,200.
Wonder what the market's gonna do tomorrow with some of these stocks that got hit so hard tonight after hours. Whether people are gonna grab them up in the morning or if they're gonna continue to bomb.
I don't know.
It is Friday, so who knows?
Bitcoin working on a pretty fat green 1 minute candle here. Unfortunately.
Probably gonna bounce around a little bit.
Yeah.
$20,160. It's heading to an order block.
You think that will it stop there and then go back up? You think or what?
I'll stop there for a second. I don't know what it'll do after that. I have to reevaluate.
Yeah.
I did just get a death cross on the Bitcoin 15-minute.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Lep, how was Sunday poker? Any chops? It was good. It was a little bit slow, I think, because of the weather. It was pretty much our last beautiful day that we had, and I think a lot of guys were taking advantage of that and doing stuff around their house, whatnot. But usually this time of year is a little bit hard for poker because people are doing that kind of stuff. Holidays coming up, etc., etc. Crypto 8 BTC dump, Fred. 19,800.
What time frame? Abe said that? I thought Abe just said 22,000.
Well, apparently he flipped. You know, as he was saying 22,000, he entered a short.
Right.
In a effing week, man. Oh, he's saying short term, 19,800.
Well, longer term than just tonight, though.
I think long term he's saying 22.
Oh. Oh, I got you.
Luna says my grid bot now at 5%. Nice. Ape said I said a week or two. Nice, Luna.
Oh.
Yeah, Bitcoin's new candle's red on a 15-minute.
Yeah, Ethereum's gonna break below 1,500. Everything's red. Almost everything.
What's going on YouTube? Anybody out there in YouTube land got anything going on? Have anything going on? Or use correct English, right?
Yeah.
If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button if you would, and ring-a-ding that bell if you want to know every time I come on live. This is the Crypto Leprechaun Show. And friends. Crypto Leprechaun and friends.
I'm a friend. That's me.
Yeah.
At least they say it to my face. That's all that matters.
We have lots of friends here on the Leprechaun Show. They each have their own unique talent.
Tommy's great at cleaning decks.
Yeah. I bet that's what he's doing right now. Chop, 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 shorty.
Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. The market sentiment on Kucoin is 71, which that's almost double what it was, which is a hot rate. And the Kucoin 30 index is 11,042, which is considerably higher than what it was riding for a while there.
Ape says, but don't listen to me, I lose money. I don't like money. Oh, now you
don't
made
like
some great,
money?
you made
I
some
like
great calls. Shorty, you cooking tonight?
Yeah, I gotta cook a potato here after bed.
His nickname is now Potato Head.
Yeah.
Mr. Potato Head.
Potato!
Potato. I think
You
it was.
say potato, I say potato. Your name is the Potato.
I'm a little offended because Walmart has Mr. Potato Head, but they don't have Mrs. Potato Head.
They don't, because they have one. They must not have it.
I know. I was a little offended.
Let's raise hell.
And then they didn't have, I don't know what I identify yet as Potato Head either.
I'm raising hell.
I want a baked potato, Potato Head. Can he Uber you one? To your P.O. box? You have it by morning.
Right?
It'd be good and hard.
Yeah.
DXY is taking a little turdy turd. Let's see what happens.
I'm showing a green candle on the 1 minute DXY.
I got my 3 minute up here. Let's see what happens.
We'll see.
Even the 3 minutes got a big green candle.
I mean, it could go up, but then again, there's a chance that, on the other side, it could go down.
It's one or the other.
Yeah, I'm going to make that call right now. I don't make calls very often, but when I do, I feel strongly about them. You know that green candle? I like green candle. I know. I don't like green candle on BTC. Not right now. Just because I'm in a short. Pun intended. But
Ha ha ha. Tommy die.
I don't know. Tommy, you alright?
I made a joke about him and everything.
Yeah. Great TA. Hey, thanks. I do what I can. All I can do is read the charts. You know, I can't make something that's not there happen. You just gotta read what the charts give you.
You can make a pot of gold show up at the end of a rainbow.
Yeah, if you can find the damn end.
He also poops coins.
You like sliced pizza? I like sliced pizza. Yeah, but I hate when you order a damn pizza and they don't cut it right. And it's not cut all the way through. That pisses me off. You try to rip a piece off, you end up getting like half the pizza.
I've had a pizza dumped before. Like the driver must have dumped it in his seat or slammed on the brake, but it was all to one side.
Right. That sucks.
I tipped him huge. I called him up. They made me another one, sent it out pretty quick.
That's good.
Bitches.
The shitty part is he knew he did it. More than like
Maybe. I doubt it.
Yeah.
He probably didn't open it up. He just
No, I know, but I mean, if
he was just hoping. Yeah, he was just
Yeah.
hoping.
yeah, he was hoping either it was okay or that you would deal with it.
I couldn't. I have a photo of it. I'll share it sometime in Discord. It was completely to one side.
Yeah.
He probably got it back to the shop and was like, "Yeah, I almost got hit by a train, so I had to stop real quick." Yeah, you did.
Who knows? Whatever. They like remade my entire order. I had like sides and everything. It's 2 liter. Got it all again for free.
God.
Oh my gosh, Tommy would be in heaven. I got 2 liters.
I did give the person who drove it back out like $5.
Nice. I mean, you did kind of get a 2-for-1 deal.
Yeah, kind of. Not. I mean, the pizza was pretty inedible.
Oh,
Look
okay.
for it.
Yeah, get the fork out.
Could have done that.
They got that now at I think it's Papa John's, isn't it, where you can order all the toppings in a bowl. That to me
Yeah,
just does not look appealing. I don't know.
The no crust pizza.
Yeah, it just looks to me like a bowl of grease. I don't know.
Something like that, yeah.
Ape says $70 later.
Yeah, pizzas aren't cheap.
No, they're going up. And now here, I don't know about you guys, we got delivery charges, and you got to tip the driver, and
Cheese. The price of cheese is ungodly.
Yeah, if they use real cheese, that's pretty expensive.
Even the mozzarella provolone blend is god awful, which is what most of them use.
I don't know, around here you can get, if you go carry out route, you can get, they're not too bad.
Yeah, watch your deals, your coupons stuff.
You can get them for like $7.99, $8.
For a medium, couple toppings.
But delivery, yeah, you're not getting one for less than $20.
You know, looking back at it now, it wasn't as bad. I kind of did get a 2-for-1. I'll show you.
Ape says it's out of control. Well, hell, out in Montana, they probably got to drive 100 miles to deliver it to you.
Yeah, and then the fact that they're all going to using call centers now.
It's in Gen Chat. Well, everybody just orders from their phone.
Yeah, and for some reason my app will not. Where I live, it says I'm out of the delivery area, but they'll deliver here.
Yeah, me too. Same here. So I can't order it. What you can do, Fred, what Billy Barr says that he does lose out. He orders at carry out and then he calls them.
Yeah, I did that here a while back, and it worked.
Yeah, that way you can use a coupon and stuff.
And just switch it over. Like, yeah, I'm gonna switch that.
Or just tell them, say, hey, you deliver here, but the app's saying that you don't.
Yeah.
Tell them to fix their shit.
Yeah, update your damn GPS.
Domino support.
Where I live, they deliver to Rockford Heights.
Oh, yeah.
Well, everybody knows where you live now.
I don't.
Hell, he delivered to Mutton Creek.
Yeah.
The names of Midwestern towns.
No, those are not.
I know their neighborhoods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Bitcoin's gonna maybe go to 298. I don't know. There's order block right there too.
Well, it's inching its way back up, but it's also staying right in line.
It's just gonna wake up, I think, if it gets there.
Yeah, it's gonna.
But who honestly knows? Because we've had some power moves lately.
Uh-huh.
I like money.
You like money? I like
money. I love money.
You don't like money? Too bad. Yeah.
I hope the movement that we're starting to see keeps up. It's starting to get me excited again.
Yeah, the sentiment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bitcoin just pushed out of an order block. Dixie's pushing up. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah.
And it's been in this channel for a little while. At the top of the channel being 325. So if it goes above 325, we could be in for a little uptrend. But if it doesn't, then it's going to stay in this channel probably for a little bit longer. You like 2 acres land? I like 2 acres. Yeah, I like 2 acres of land.
I mean, it depends on where it's at.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, if it's beside a dump, then probably not. But if it's like on the beach, yeah.
But in the mountains, sure. In Antarctica, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose tummy was that?
Did you hear that? That was mine.
Stomach growling?
Yeah. Well,
Dang.
no, that or my intestines. I'm not sure yet. I'll tell
You
you in a
might be
few
dying
minutes.
for that one.
I'll tell you in a
You
few
might, be,
minutes.
you might need to run to the restroom soon, or eat a hot dog, one or the other.
Yeah, I'll let you know here in a minute if I'm either going to the bathroom or getting something to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 9:15. It's a little early for snack time, but I think it's getting there.
11:17 here.
It's good math.
What?
You guys are talking about your time.
We didn't. Neither one of us had to do any math.
Well, I know, but
It was a great joke.
I guess it's when I'm thinking about like what time it is in Europe and or the UK
Yeah.
and India and the Philippines.
I quit doing math on that. I got my world clock on my phone set for all the places.
I know India's 10:30. What about Tejas is doing? He's from India. He used to, I don't know if you guys remember him or not. He used to stop in every once in a
Yeah.
while.
I do. Right now in New Delhi, India, it's at 8:48 in the morning. They're plus 9.5 hours.
Or 9:30, yeah.
And I added, I've got UTC, Universal Time, on my phone now on the world clock.
That's good math.
It's what?
That's good math.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lep, you like flipping houses? I like flipping houses. I've never flipped a house.
Yeah, you have.
You ever flipped off an old lady?
Yes and no, you have. You haven't. I mean,
I mean, what, KRS?
You ever flipped an old lady?
No, I can't say I have.
You ever flip one off?
I probably have done that.
That just got us 4 more hours arts and craft time.
yeah. It looks like the DXY is trending up. Or at least
It's
going up. I don't know about trending.
It's just maybe deciding on if it wants to, yeah, it's pushing up. Hit the golden cross here. We'll see. 5 minutes. Bitcoin's pushing up with it. That's in the other order block. Ravens Bucks are close in the 4th.
Yeah, Bucks just went for 2 and didn't get it. They're going to lose again.
Loser.
That's what he gets for divorcing a supermodel.
Brady sucks. No, he really doesn't. I'll be a hater on the night, though. He always sucks at the beginning of the seasons.
This is the fifth loss out of 6 games, so they're
You're gonna make a
start.
playoff.
I mean, right now they're not looking too good. I think they started out like 3-0 though, or 2-0. This is game 7, or no, this is game 8. Maybe they did 3-0. I don't know.
So it's gonna be like 3 and 5.
Yeah.
Penalty, defensive holding, no play. They had 2 attempts at that.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Brady.
Hey, Hey, Lep.
Yeah.
Send me 1,000 Doge, or I'm gonna kick you off of Prime.
Game's over now, pretty much.
Oh, damn.
Baltimore just got the ball on an onside kick.
It is pretty much over, but that's funny.
They got an onside kick.
No, they.
Oh, so they're starting to
Yeah, Tampa Bay's 3-4.
so they're getting ready to be 3-5.
Yeah. Yeah.
That number is not part of this game yet, probably.
No.
And that price was set at UTC.
What price? What do what?
The 1,000 Doge. It was set at like day open today, UTC.
Ah, right.
They taking knees and the game is over.
Yep.
The Bucks are now 3-5, and the Baltimore Ravens are 5-3.
It says the first time ever that Tom Brady's been 2 games under 500. Wow.
Time ever?
Well, yeah. Well, in NFL.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Belichick wasn't a punk. I mean, he was a good coach.
I think old Tom might be finding out that maybe he should have called it quits.
He's got his ex-wife, lawyers, got a lot on his mind. I think he'll make it just fine by the end of the year.
He didn't have his go-to guy, Gronk.
I was gonna say.
The hell was that?
What was what?
Oh, my screen must have hit my mouse.
There's a ghost in your house.
Shit.
Damn.
Ding, ding, ding.
Who was that?
That's me. Forgot
Wow.
my phone's right by my mic.
You got notification that the game was over.
Mm-hmm. No, it wants me to mine my pie.
What kind of pie is that?
What's up, Tommy?
There he is.
It's an app.
We had people from Walmart wondering about you.
Yeah. They're like, we just watch it for Tommy 2 Liter.
Well, I thought it was that sweet southern Indiana pie.
Poontang pie?
Yeah, that.
Poontang pie's good.
We used to say that in Chicago.
What's that?
Poutang
Poontang?
or poutang pie.
That must be a Midwestern thing, because we used to say that all the time. Here, I thought we made it up. We just got it from Chicago.
You know it was a movie, right?
No.
Yeah, like 70.
Oh, okay. Well, probably came from the movie then. I did not know that. I must not have been born yet.
Thanks.
I hate it that the older you get, the more you have to scroll on certain things. Like when you sign up for something, you gotta scroll down to your birth year. I gotta scroll
Yeah.
quite a ways now, where I used to just like be like, blip.
Spin it like the wheel of fortune.
Yeah, that's what I feel like. My finger just flipping, 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 flipping. I'll find 77 here in a minute.
Well, didn't want you in here either, Tommy.
Tommy, where'd you go? He didn't bolt
Private
again, did he?
information. Private information, gentlemen. Longs keep getting absolutely destroyed.
We're just flatlining on Bitcoin.
Leverage is getting pretty low, though. These shorts are starting to stack up. Or funding rate, I mean. People are using leverage less.
Probably a good idea. Wonder if the penguin drove his e-bike or if he has moved on to the car yet.
I'm sure he's on the e-bike. Oh, I woke up with snow all over.
Really?
Not like here. It was raining pretty much here, but everywhere around me, you were like 10 feet above me, it was snow.
Sheesh. Mm-hmm. Tommy, Amber, you still out there? They've been doing some drive-bys lately. Come in, say a few words, and poof, poof, gone.
Drive by.
Doing drive-bys. After I put in my Bitcoin short, I had like $1.60 something left. So I put in an Ethereum 75x short, and it's up 272% at $3.96. I think Kucoin knows when I have little money and when I have big money in. Why could that not be a time I had 50 or 100 on it? Guess you just gotta have balls.
Big balls.
Big balls equals big profits. Hell, now we lost 2 foot. Market goes sideways, nobody wants to have fun. Where did everybody go?
I'm still here.
I know.
Don't sound so sad.
Oh no. It says my chat's disconnected. What? Let me try to chat. It showed up on my phone. Huh, maybe it's just on my computer. Strange.
I might make some French toast.
You might make what?
I might make some French toast.
Ooh. Sounds good.
Are you wanting somebody to touch your testes?
No, it says on my computer my chat is unable to connect to chat. please try again later. But it's working on my phone and it's working on my computer, so I don't know. I don't know what's up. Apparently you're getting it, so. It's a working. $20,270. It's working back up there a little bit. Good Lord, though, we've been in this channel since 6:45. Just 5 hours. Well. Lep, can I get you a scorpion shot from Nacho Daddy Las Vegas? What's that? I'm a little skeptical on that. Is it a shot of liquor with a scorpion in it? Because I'm not so sure about that. Tequila with a scorpion in it. Do you eat the scorpion? Surely they cut the tail off of it. And its little claws. Damn, no, I'm out. That does not. Ugh. Do you do them? Sounds like living on the edge. It's crunchy. I bet it is. Oh, no, well, but the main problem is I can't hardly do tequila anyway, but ever since I got really bad sick on it in college, and I can't really even smell it anymore.
I'm back.
What's going on?
I was just,
Oh, I didn't even notice you were gone.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, hey.
Dad and his girlfriend are into it again.
Oh,
That was a girlfriend.
oh. Well, I'm glad she's calling you now instead of me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look it up. Scorpion shot Nacho Daddy Las Vegas. Shorty will take it.
What's that?
It's a shot of tequila with a scorpion in it.
Like a real dead scorpion?
Is the scorpion dead or alive? That's a good question.
I don't see how it'd be alive in the tequila.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alive. And they cut. Oh, dead. He says dead. He said they cut the tail off of it though, right? And the claws, or the pinchers, or whatever in the hell they got. They got pinchers, don't they?
something like that.
Not real familiar with scorpions out here in Indiana, but how many drinks did Dad have for her to be calling?
I don't know, but
That's a good
you're
question.
not too far from. Yeah, you're not too far from it. I don't think. I don't know, something about he was grumpy today, and he and I kind of got into it earlier, and she wanted to confirm that because he had told her that, and she didn't think that was true.
What?
Because he was sitting with somebody at McDonald's again.
Good Lord.
Yeah, but I saw him, and he brought me some mail at 4:30 or almost 5, and uh, she met him at 5 at the VFW, so he didn't have time to be around anybody else. Because he was home when I talked to him the first time at 4:19.
She's like a 70-plus-year-old high school girl.
Yeah.
Good Lep didn't get the call. I have before. The bad thing is I always answer just in case there's something wrong.
Yeah, I know. That's yeah.
That's the bad thing about it. At his age, you never know.
Right.
Lep, you like Arby's? Or Rallies? Sorry. I can't even read. Yeah, I do, actually. I really like their fries. I know people either love them or hate them, but I really like them. I usually get a rally burger and fries. Shorty, you like rallies?
It's okay. I do like their fries if they're fresh, but I like their chicken box or whatever. But do you have rallies out there, or do you have checkers? It's the same thing basically, but just like Hardee's, and I think out there you've got Carl's Jr., which is the same thing as Hardee's.
Yeah, and White Castle and Crystal.
No, those are two different. Those are two different things.
Oh, I thought they were the same thing.
Well, they are, but they're two different companies.
Yeah.
The other ones I'm talking about are the same company, just two different branded stores. Kind of like Waffle House and Sunshine Cafe. Like our Waffle House is technically a Sunshine Cafe.
Carl's Jr.
That's what he has.
Cracker Barrel. Yeah, we got Cracker Barrel. We got Rallies. We don't have Carl's Jr. We got Hardee's.
Right. Carl Jr. Same party. Same. And rallies and checkers are the same thing.
One of those was it came about because two brothers owned it, and they got into a big fight, and the one brother went off and started his own exact same thing, only under a different name.
That might be Crystal and
I thought that was White Castle.
yeah.
Yeah, and our Cracker Barrel is always packed, especially Sunday, like around noon, after church, I guess. Uh, Usually it's waiting room only. I've heard. I haven't been out there for. I haven't eaten a Cracker Barrel for a long time. I like it. Mikey, I think we're starting our sideways shuffle here, brother. Not starting, continuing, actually, to be honest.
What I love and I wish we had that we'll probably never not have because the way they do their just food distribution or whatever you suppliers, but wish we had an In-N-Out burger. I know he's got one in Vegas. I love In-N-Out burger.
Yeah, aren't they mainly in the West?
Yeah, because they all their stuff's fresh, and I heard that they very doubtful they'd be much west of the or east of the Mississippi.
Hmm.
Whataburger, I'm not so big on. Really don't care for Whataburger. I don't know what the big deal is on it, but
Well, didn't what's his name start that?
didn't what?
Um. Oh, he married the Playmate.
Have what? Don't know.
Oh, I just went blank. I can't think of him.
Hefner?
No.
What do you mean married him?
Uh. Shit.
Whataburger's been around for a long time.
Okay, maybe not.
I don't know who you're thinking of that married a Playmate though.
Hold on.
Elon Musk tweeted the bird is freed.
Must be official.
I thought it was anyway.
I don't know. Maybe he's just saying that.
No, I think he went in and he already fired some people.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. It's the family owned by Tom, Lynn, and Hugh Dobson. I don't know what I'm thinking.
I'm still trying to figure out who you talked about married a Playmate.
Oh, I can't think of his name. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Not what you're thinking either. I'll be right back.
Okay.
We all know what he's doing.
Alright, I'm back. It was, the playmate I was saying was Jenny McCarthy.
Okay.
He married her, and his brother is a chef, and they started franchise.
Talk about
I can't think of his name.
Wahlberg.
Wahlberg, yeah, Wahlburgers, isn't it? Maybe that's what it's called.
Yeah, but that's just a single store, I think, out east.
Yeah, I think they actually opened some more.
Maybe so, but yeah.
That's why it was. I knew it was familiar to that. What a burger. What?
Yeah, that's
Burger.
quite a bit different scenario, but yeah.
Yeah.
Name wise, pronounce it, yeah.
Wahlberg. Why could I not think of his name?
Marky Mark.
Yeah. Elon Musk, now in charge of Twitter. CEO and CFO have left. Sources say. CFO is probably doing stuff he shouldn't be doing. Very quiet on this Thursday night. Is it quiet out there in Vegas, Mikey? I don't know. Something must have, because it's just coming out all over the internet. It happened. Elon Musk officially owns Twitter. Twitter is now an Elon Musk company. That's all 2 hours ago. Elon Musk finally takes over Twitter, fires top executives. So did they leave? Or were they told to leave? Sounds like they were told to leave. He says he's going to keep control of it and it's not going to be a free-for-all. Wonder if he's going to reinstate Trump.
Probably.
I was thinking that Trump said something bad about him, though. I can't remember. I thought they were friends, but... Maybe
Yeah, I don't remember if I know what you're I know what you're talking about, and I can't remember what it was, but that they.
That might be because... Maybe I'm just thinking that because I know he doesn't like Biden.
Elon doesn't because they pretty much shunned him.
Yeah. Didn't invite him to the...
That big EV event they had in Washington and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. Student loan debt relief checks could be mailed in 2 weeks, Biden says. Oh, Lordy.
Do you see the interview that Biden did where he was talked about how student debt relief, how it passed by a few votes, and
Yeah.
in reality, it wasn't even a voted on thing. It was a freaking executive order.
Yeah, I know
So that
that,
just shows you right there how much he lies.
well, didn't the judge that Trump appointed, didn't she vote? Because it was going to go to the Supreme Court. Didn't the
Wait a
justice,
minute, what are you talking about?
the whole deal, the student loan debt relief was going to go to the Supreme Court?
No, I don't know that it was.
And I
Where'd you?
thought she denied that. It was on the, I saw it on the news.
I don't know who was. I mean, I don't know what you mean by Supreme Court because I don't know. That means somebody would have had to. I don't know who would have been it.
Yeah,
Who could have taken.
the Republicans were wanting to take it to court or something. I don't remember the exact details on it.
Oh. Oh, the U.S. Appeals Court temporarily blocked the student loan forgiveness, but the Supreme Court said they didn't want any part of it, of even looking at it.
Yeah, and the main one that headed that up is the one that Trump, that girl, that lady that Trump assigned.
Justice Barrett.
Yeah, that's what I saw. I tell you, you can sure tell when the market's flat.
Yeah.
Nobody's around. Or, well, not many. My peeps aren't, anyway. Somebody is somewhere. What's up, YouTube? Any of you guys out there got anything? Have anything going on? Got 5 people on there. Anybody into anything? Anybody looking to get out of anything? Or are you guys just sitting on your powder, your dry powder? I wouldn't blame you if you were doing any of those things, to be honest. It's a very wild world we're living in right now. Powder, powder, powder. Mikey K, you got a number set where you're wanting to sell your Ethereum at, or are you just going to hang on to it? He must be thinking. Hang on to it. Yeah, I don't blame you. I think in the long run, Ethereum's going to be just fine, and it's going to be worth quite a bit in a few years. hopefully, because that means if it is, that means probably Bitcoin will be, and you know if Bitcoin's worth a lot, the rest of the market will be worth a lot. Let's hope, right?
Yeah.
For those of you that are wondering, I do have KRS's chart up on my live feed as well as my chart, but his is the one on the right, so I just wanted everybody to know that that is not my chart, so I can't take credit for that, but our friend of the channel, KRS, has his lovely chart up there. Just in case anyone's wondering why it looks like it does, that is why. Isn't it weird or wild how Bitcoin goes flat this time of night every night?
Yeah.
Every single night, almost. Dogecoin is trying to go back up a little bit. It's at 0.07466. The Dixie DXY is down a little bit, down 22.5 cents. I was really hoping Doge would hang on to that 8 cents. I felt like that would really help with the sentiment
Yeah.
for Doge. I thought that was going to be something to build on. But if we can hang out in the 7s for a little while, I'd be happy with that as well.
Yeah.
The higher it goes, the more people are going to FOMO into it. Because they know what it can do, and people aren't going to want to miss out the second time around.
No.
I think it's safe to say we probably lost Tommy.
Yeah.
I think they got a lot going on personally. They're probably trying to get straightened out.
Yeah. I would agree with that.
Which is fine. saying, Dogecoin on a 15-minute chart looks very bullish. Bitcoin's slowly creeping back up. We're at 300. TradingView has at 9:10 p.m. tonight. Breaking news: Elon Musk acquires Twitter. The paperwork or something must have went through or something at that time.
Yeah, I think it's when it.
Became official or something.
Yeah.
Like official. It probably already. He wouldn't have carried that sink in like that if he hadn't already. The deal was already done. He must have finally got it notarized or something.
Notarized?
Notarized?
Yeah.
He couldn't find a notary. I bet he's got one on staff somewhere, probably, don't you think?
Yeah.
Or his lawyer has one probably hiding around somewhere.
Yeah. I don't think that was.
Or one of his probably 20 lawyers.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, I hate to, as exciting of a night as it is, I hate to cut it short, but I've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Hey, later, brother. I will be on tomorrow night. I do not have my son, so I'll be check out tomorrow night. Hopefully we have a little more action. Hopefully we have something going on. And hopefully we can get back to business as usual.
Yep.
So thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks, Mikey K, for still on. Peace out. And we'll see everybody on the flip side.
You're not going to do your sign off?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay.
Just getting ready. Just changing my screen around. Alright, everybody. This is Crypto Leprechaun signing off for the night. Hope everybody has a great night and good day trading tomorrow. Good luck to you. Hope everybody finds green everywhere. So we'll catch you all on the flip side. This is Crypto Leprechaun signing off. Don't forget, there's no I in crypto. And if we all work together, we can go to the moon together. Peace.